Good afternoon, folks. USDA just confirmed last week what many of us feared: mass layoffs, forced relocations, and the elimination of remote work. If you're a federal employee, this isn't just a USDA problem. This is your wake-up call. Hi, my name is Tinney-Davis, and I am a USDA Community Programs and Loan Specialist. I've been warning for months about this moment. When I first started back in 2019, I helped bring millions of federal dollars to underserved rural communities. But behind the scenes, I could see the budget cuts and the on-again, off-again hiring freezes, which started putting pressure and chipping away at our mission. That's when I made the decision, that I wouldn't wait for a pink slip. I started building a plan then, while still working my federal job. I created, with the help of my husband, multiple income streams in real estate, tax preparation, coaching, and online digital products. And now I'm on a mission to teach other employees to do the same. So if you work for USDA or any agency for that matter, or even in the private sector, you must have a plan B. The Fed to Freedom Blueprint is your step-by-step guide to turning your skills into an extra $3,000+ a month on the side before you're forced out, transferred, or replaced. So download my free blueprint with the link below. Don't wait for HR to decide your future. Take control now. I want to help you move forward. I know there's a lot of fear going around out there, but you don't have to be afraid. You don't have to be paralyzed by it. So before you're forced to relocate, force your own financial breakthrough. Let's go from Fed to freedom financially.